One of the things that is significantly shut down in their brains is the power of imagination. We want kids to use creative writing, but then we have to understand that kids who are traumatized don't have access all the time to their imagination. That part of the brain shuts down because if it opens up, it may open up an avenue for hurt or pain. So when you say to a child who's traumatized, just use your imagination, I need more details. Just use your imagination. You're basically banging on something they just don't have access to. That exit's closed right now. So you have to know that, and if I know that about you, I can say, hey guys, use your blurt book if you need to, if you can't think of some ideas, or I've got a pile of pictures over there, just go ahead and grab 2 photos and write what you see. Be prepared for those kids who don't have access to their imagination and are going to shut down when you're asking them to do some writing.